So ignore the messy table. I am going to work on this board. It's kind of like an MDF pressed board shaped panel. I've had this for a really long time, and I gessoed it, so it normally looks like this, and it's getting banged up because I keep moving it out of the way, and I decided, you know what, I'm just going to do it right now. So I'm going for the look of water. My table is not level. Maybe now it will be. Yes. I want it to look like water. So I've got some blues and some teals mixed up from the giant surfboard that I did. And we'll see. I don't think there's going to be any beach here. It's just going to be water. So wish me luck with this fun one.
Something's in the air. I can feel it everywhere. Every color seems to bloom, and there's light in every room. Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. But now the sun is rising. Let's be new people. There's summer. Don't let me down, down, down. Don't let me down, down, down. I wanna be up, 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 so high. 'Cause I've been down, down, down. I've been down, so down, and now I'm done. I'm aiming for the sky. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. I'm aiming for the sky. Everyone got stories, so let's start listening. Let the rain wash away the tears that keeps crippling. Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. But now the sun is rising, and we're new people. Let's be new people. There's summer. Don't let me down, down, down. Don't let me down, down, down. I wanna be up, 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 so high. 'Cause I've been down, down, down. I've been down, so down, and now I'm done. I'm aiming for the sky. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Aiming for the sky. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. I'm aiming for the sky. Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. But now the sun is rising, and we're new people. Let's be new people. There's summer. Don't let me down. Don't let me down, down, down. Don't let me down, down, down. I wanna be up, 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 so high. 'Cause I've been down, down, down. I've been down, so down, and now I'm done. I'm aiming for the sky. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. I'm aiming for the sky. Everyone got stories.
I really hope it dries just like that. That is just, oh, I hope it looks as cool on camera as it does in person.
The tears that keeps crippling. Now that you're looking up.
I really love this. I'm very happy with how it came out. I like the dark blue at the top. I love the waves. Just a little bit of them. Maybe if I get more, I'll do sand here, down here. I did already put a hanger on it. Although it could hang any way you want, I like it this way. I'm just going to put some felt here around the edges, just so it doesn't stick to anybody's wall if I do sell this one. I feel like with the humidity, you never know. And I wouldn't want that to stick to anybody's wall. So, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, please do. Many more videos to come. Thank you.
Don't